Hello, driving intelligence community. Twice now I've come across two Fox Body Mustangs in the junkyard. One's a convertible, an 85 or an 86, and I also came across a T-top Mustang GT. I wish I had that one, but they wouldn't sell me the body. So I've tried to take as many parts off of there for resale as possible. Dash panels, for example. In this case, one of the things I got was a dash bezel, and it's in perfect condition. Look at that. There's not a single problem wrong with it. The vents I've removed because I want to paint those, get them nice and bright so that whoever buys this is going to have something that looks perfect when it's put in their car. I've also I got the center console out of that. I'm going to rebuild that. That thing was a total disaster. I mean, some people are slobs in the you wouldn't believe all the garbage and junk in there, but that's going to be a separate video. I've already done one restoration of a center console. But in this case, I'm just going to put this thing back together and post it on eBay for sale so somebody can reuse it instead of it going to the crusher. Stay tuned. Here's one of the vents, and you can see it's in perfect condition. There is not a thing wrong with this other than the plastic is faded. So I've already taken it apart. You can see that the louvers inside here, the vent portion, can be taken out by gently prying out these pins. Then you'll end up with this assembly. You can see it taken apart. I'm actually going to put a light dusting of Duplicolor plastic paint on here, and we'll see how it turns out. This really turned out awesome. Look how that came out with that Duplicolor flat black. Looks brand new. Now for assembly. Here's a little before and after comparison. Here's before. Here's after. What a difference. Looks amazing. Any vehicle with a plastic interior can have this accomplished. Now to finish painting this one, disassembly and reassembly to make it look as good as this. And then I'll put the entire dash bezel back together. The hardest part is most certainly reassembling this vent. These pieces do not stay together easily. I need more than 2 hands. And now assembly is complete. I've touched up the chrome section here. These are working perfectly and they don't look worn out. Looks like the rest of the unit. It's in perfect condition, ready for sale. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time on Driving Intelligence.